Hello my hungry friends, my name is Anna. In 2001, I moved to America from my hometown of Szczecin, Poland to be with the love of my life, Mark. While living in the US, I realized that I wanted to share my passion for Polish cuisine with America and the world. So finally, in 2015, I started a Polish food blog. After my husband retired from the army, we decided to start a new adventure in my native home. We spend our time showing the world the wonders of Polish cooking in our kitchen, and sometimes we shut down our kitchen and explore Poland together to find as much good food as we can. Welcome to Polish Kitchen. Welcome back, friends! Today we're going to be making delicious new dish inspired by one of my viewers on Facebook. I believe Juliana is her name. We're going to be making schabowy sandwich. What's schabowy, my friend? My hungry friend?
Schabowy is basically a pork chop, pounded out flat, breaded and fried.
Delicious!
Delicious. How could you not like it?
So schabowy is pride and joy of Polish cooking. You'll find it anywhere you go, in any Polish restaurant, any roadside bar, everywhere you go. So we're going to transform this breaded pork chop dinner dish into handy dandy sandwich. I'm super excited about it. And to do that, we're going to use also another Polish delicious recipe for onion rolls. They're yeasted onion rolls topped with sauteed onions and poppy seeds, and I've prepared them yesterday. Link for the recipe for cebulaki, the onion rolls, at polishyourkitchen.com and in the video description. Once our cebulaki are made, we're gonna just let them cool, or if you can make them ahead of time, they'll be better because they'll have a little bit more give to our sandwich. So what's left to do is prepare the rest of our components. So I have 3 pork chops. Let's get them pounded, breaded, and fried. Let's let the pork chops rest a little bit and get a little bit of seasoning in it. And since we're making 2 different sandwiches today, I'm going to prepare my sides. Not sides, my toppings. So first is going to be cabbage slaw. And I have a recipe on my website for cabbage slaw, and also in the new book. If you haven't seen it yet, you can go to polishyourkitchen.com, and up at the top bookstore, and all these recipes are in here. This is the fried pork cutlets. Ooh. Get it while you can. So we're gonna make the cabbage slaw, and I have you can do probably about half a cup per sandwich. So I have about a cup in here of thinly sliced cabbage, and I sliced it on a mandolin just so it's nice and thin. And I'm gonna just massage it a little bit. Add a pinch of salt, maybe 2, a pinch of sugar. Maybe two. And a little squirt of lemon. And I'm gonna massage it a little bit. And the cabbage is gonna soften a little bit and make a nice slaw for us. And to it, I'm gonna add shredded pickles. I wanna add about a teaspoon per half a cup or so. And I also have red onion, and you can add as much of that as you want. If you want a little bit more sharper, go ahead and add a little bit more. And for a little bit of freshness, I have fresh dill. And give this a little mix. And the cabbage is already softened up a little bit, so it's gonna be nice. And let this marinate for a few minutes and give it a taste, see if we need a little bit more salt.
Now, do you guys ever add vinegar to a slaw, or is that kind of not a thing?
Lemon juice. Not vinegar so much. I think that kind of goes towards our western neighbors, the vinegar.
The Germans.
The Germans.
I see. Okay.
We always do that when you say the Germans. I go Sie German.
Sie German. I don't know why.
I don't know why. All right, so I'm gonna set this aside and just rinse my hands. Are you curious what's gonna go on our sandwich besides this?
No, because I already know.
Oh.
Well, you can tell the people.
Well, you're gonna have to watch till the end, I guess. So that's the topping for one of our sandwiches. And for our next sandwich, our second sandwich, I'm gonna prepare a garlic sauce. So what do we know about this garlic sauce, my love?
I know that this is Poland's answer, or I don't know if it came first. It's Poland's ranch dressing, basically. So anything that in the Midwest or anywhere in America you put ranch on, Poles put sauce czosnkowa.
Czosnkowa, yep, garlic sauce. And I have some plain yogurt in here and some mayonnaise and 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm just mixing it together with a pinch of salt, pinch of sugar, and a hefty amount of pepper. Ooh, and one more, a little bit of lemon. I'll give this a stir. Give this a taste. Have more salt. Ooh, that's garlicky. Yummy. So, that's really garlicky. I had a big chunk in there. Whew. Okay, so all there is to do is prep our buns and get our pork chops fried up. Which one would you like? How gorgeous are these buns? I'm gonna do this big one.
Big mama jamma right there.
I want to do this one.
You can see that one of the buns is missing because we couldn't stand it last night.
We had to taste it. And they're a little bit firmer today. They're gonna be a great base for our sandwiches. And these little bits, nothing goes to waste, goes on top.
Now what if you took this and flipped it onto the Sammy? I wonder.
I think we're gonna try that. Shall we fry up our cutlety?
Huzzah!
I'm gonna bread my pork chops and a little bit of egg wash and breading.
Are you a fan of the double dipping of the bread?
I don't double dip.
Uh-huh.
These are getting fried in lard. And don't tell me that lard's not good for you, because this is not a health food channel. So get some regular pork lard, just like Grandma did. And look at our gorgeous cutletki. We're gonna make 2 different ones. And we're gonna do mine first. Or I'm gonna make yours first. What would you like on yours?
Sauce czosnkowa on the bottom.
So Mark decided that this is American style. So we're gonna do a little bit of sauce czosnkowy. It's nice and spicy. And then we're gonna do this big one. Or lettuce first? Would you like lettuce under?
Sure.
Ho, 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 ho. Tomato.
Mm-hmm.
Onion.
Mm-hmm.
Pickle.
Mm-hmm.
Pepper.
Mm-hmm.
More sauce.
Mm-hmm. Just a drizzle.
Do you want your bun upside down?
I'm gonna go upside down.
But for now, we're gonna put it like
For
this
right now, for
because it's
presentation
gorgeous. Ooh. And for mine, I'm gonna do Polish style. I'm gonna do a tablespoon or whatever, however much you want of mustard. And then I'm gonna do the meatski. And then I'm gonna do the slaw. And then we're gonna do the bun. Ta-da! Who's hungry?
I'm hungry.
Okay, my love, you ready? Come over.
I'm not camera ready.
Come on.
Oh my goodness.
Don't be shy.
I'm not. No, shy is not something I am.
I'm flipping mine.
Are you flipping?
I'm flipping.
See, but you sauced mine already on the underside.
Nope.
So I can't flip. Yes, you did. Remember?
Oh, just a little bit.
It's okay.
Oh.
That is really delicious. You good. Good job. Cheers.
Mustard was my last minute decision to add it on, but with the mustard and the onions on the onion rolls and with the cabbage, what do you think?
That is definitely super duper delicious.
This is how you polish your kitchen. What'd you think, friends? Delicious, huh? I hope you try this at home. This is when you do try this at home. And I hope you join us on Fridays when we close our kitchen and we go out and explore Poland. We have a bunch of new episodes coming. So I hope you stay around and subscribe. It helps our channel grow and lets more people see it all over the world.
And also show us forgets. Hit the like button if you like this. Jump onto www.polishyourkitchen.com and check out all the recipes that we have over there. And thank you.
Thank you. We'll see you next time. Smacznego. Let's let our burgers, I was gonna say. Let's like our blah 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 blah. And these delicious yeasted buns. I have nothing to say about that.